Hi, I'm presenting an inspection solution that I just finished and it's ready to ship to the client. The inspection setup was tailored according to the client needs. The cases were designed and 3D printed by us, as well as all the electronics needed to connect the devices. This setup consists in two cameras that transmit video to two receivers that are going to be connected to a laptop. They can be running Windows, macOS, or Linux. Within the software installed in the computer, we will be able to see what the cameras are transmitting and how we can see it. I'll explain in more detail later. The cameras come in this rigid and waterproof case. Inside, we will find two cameras, two transmitters, two antennas, battery checker, chargers, and all the necessary leads. The camera usage is very simple. There's a power button, record and stop button. Behind this lead, we have the charging ports and the SD card. The camera lens protection is made out of 4mm thick glass and can easily be replaced. We also include some spare glass covers. The battery is a 3S LiPo and lasts for 4 hours of continuous recording and up to 8 hours of standby or transmitting only time. You can use a SD card up to 32 GB of storage, and it can hold around 16 hours of recording. The antenna is embedded in the case and can be pulled in and out to make it easy to transport. These two bolts on the side are part of the support system where the camera is going to be installed. In this specific case is a remote control vehicle used for pipeline inspection. We designed and 3D printed this holder so you can attach them to the top of the laptop screen where the antenna can have a good reception, and at the same time, if you need to move during the inspection, everything is on one setup, making it less messy. The range for this system is of around 200 meters, and it can easily be extended by using antennas more directional. This particular setup was done so the client doesn't have to worry much with his position while doing the inspection. After connecting the receivers and opening the software, we can set up the way we view the cameras in any way. In this case, we have a view where we can see both of the cameras and then two other views where we can view the cameras independently. On top of recording onto the SD card the camera image, you can also record the image that is being transmitted directly on the software. This was a quick overview of this inspection system. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.